Suzuki GSXR1000. To the team of Suzuki engineers responsible for the GSXR1000, own the racetrack is not just a slogan, it's a way of life.
Yeah! My dog!
Introducing POWAMOTO, the series, and as I showcase reviews.
You fake YouTubers, it's on!
And I came to raw.
POWAMOTO! So here I am. Oh wow, skinny tank. Stop playing, both feet down. All right. Bro, my tank is huge compared to this. Okay, this has like a very skinny tank.
Thank God.
1, 2, very comfortable kind of race-like handlebars, like get ready, grab on, you're going for a ride. Very 600 feeling almost. Doesn't feel like a 1000. I'm gonna check your VIN, young man, because these could just be stickers. And you know how I know? I'm Sky Champion on POWAMOTO. Subscribe today.
Gixxer 1000. Let me hear it.
Sure, why not?
Sounds like a check. Let's go for a ride on Power.
My guy! Yeah!
A 999cc 4-stroke 4-cylinder liquid-cooled engine for increased power, torque, and acceleration with forged aluminum alloy pistons, chromoly shot peen connection rods, and a hollow crankshaft as a secondary balancer shaft for reduced vibration. The compact fuel injection system features the Suzuki dual throttle valve system, otherwise known as SDTV, with 12 smaller holes for maximum fuel delivery and steeper angle for secondary injectors. See, the Suzuki, it's a life dedicated to making the most successful open-class motorcycle in the history of production-based racing even better. By applying the latest technology and the most hard-fought racing experience and keeping the GSXR1000 well ahead would be competition. The key is the motorcycle's ability to do precisely what the rider wants, when the rider wants, how the rider wants, accelerate, brake, corner, repeat, more power. Make it easier for the rider, and as a result, it will show with better lap times on the racetrack and more fun on the road. In fact, the Suzuki GSXR1000 has a standing 0 to 62 mile an hour at 2.8 seconds. With its awesome 51 miles per gallon fuel consumption and its 4.6 gallon fuel capacity. The bike only weighs 379 pounds dry with a wet weight of just 423 pounds. It's called total performance. It's what makes the 2008 Suzuki GSXR1000 the top performer. And it is why Suzuki riders own the track. Get out there if you haven't test ridden one of these Suzukis before. It is a must buy. If you can find yourself a model anywhere from 2004 to 2008 or 9, you will be buying one of the most stable, fast, amazing, reliable 1000cc liter bikes out there, guys. And it is rocking 190 horsepower max power with Ram Air. 2008 Suzuki GSXR1000, a best buy, backed by POWAMOTO. Not a rent it, not a pass, a best buy. Get out there and get one today. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, check out some more of my other review videos. And thanks for subscribing. We out!